Look what I get. A Galaxy watch. It is 42 millimeters. A Bluetooth. Samsung. Look. Today I'm very excited to open this and I got this for my mom. For my mom. So I'm gonna open this and check what's in there. I'm very excited to open. Let's check what is there. Oh, to open this now. Oh, there it is. Look at the watch. Man. Oh man. Look at that. This is a watch. Okay, I found the watch. Let me keep it to a side like there. Bam. So this plastic, I don't need that. I found this. Nothing. But I like this packaging. Something packaging. Yeah. I didn't find anything more. Too good. What in? Wow! I found something. They're opening something there. I don't know what is this. Wow! A charging cable. This is for what? Where do you charge it? Where do you charge it? Where do we charge this watch? Okay, forget about it. But I like this charging cable. Look, behind it is Samsung, and now we have our own bag. So nothing more in this. I want to find something good. Oh yeah, one more. Look, one more opening. So then, yeah, I found that. Guess what is this? Guess. Any idea? No? Okay. I know what is this. This is this can't fit on my legs. This is too small for that. Okay, forget about that. But I'm keeping it there. Plastic. One more thing there. Hey, I like this. Wow. It sounds a watch like that or something. It sounds a watch like that. We charge it like that. Look, we charge it. You can charge it. Wow, this is the best. Wow. Oh, one more thing. What is there? Any idea? No? Yes? Okay. Let's see. I don't know to... What is plastic? Oh. No way! I want to read all that. I'm seeing if this can fit on. Oh, how to get this out there. Yeah. Plastic. let's look what is here. I have to take this out now. Whoa, this is very. What is that? Okay, forget about that. I don't need it. What should I take out? Not working. I don't care. I hope this watch works. Put it on my legs. I need 2 hands for this or something. Okay, forget about that. I'm just trying to fit the shot. No. Yes! 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 Samsung Galaxy Watch. Nothing happening. Something happened. Yes! Yes! It's loading! It's loading! It's loading! Oh my God! Look! It's written Samsung. Oh yeah! Mine! Whoa! Look! This is the best! And we can charge this. Kind of like that. We can charge it. Nothing else in the box. I'm searching. And there must be something. I found the box. One more box. Throw that away. Bye everyone. See you in my next video. I can buy a phone or laptop in my next video, I guess. But I'm going to explore the whole watch now.